Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, guys, that generation right here between year 2011 and year 2017. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the steering wheel lock is located, which fuse you need to check for that one specifically, stay with us. We're going to cover that in this video today, guys. In addition, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the DRL fuse, the steering wheel lock fuse, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey right here. Fun fact, you guys have 5 different fuse boxes. We're lucky that we'll be working in just one of them. And it's located right here on the inside of your Honda Odyssey. If you come on the driver's side, right under the dash above the pedals, guys, if you look upside down all the way in the corner above the pedals, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. Now, before we continue, let's guys explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the steering wheel lock fuse, guys, if you zoom in, okay, we're going to zoom in so we can clearly show you now. You can see next to the fuses you have numbers, and if we come in that fuse section right here between 21 and 28, that last fuse right here known as fuse number 28, that's the one for the steering wheel lock. You need to check that fuse right here. If you guys have any questions, you want to see anything else specifically on Honda Odyssey, let us know, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.